Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pallavi and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that each time I upload a new video, you get notified. So for today's video, I am going to talk about 4 things that one should do in their health journey. All these 4 steps I've been following through in my journey and the results have been amazing. So today I want to share with you guys. I'll walk you through all these 4 uh, steps, but before that please subscribe and now let's begin. So the first one is setting intentions, second one is shutting the noise, third one is keeping a journal and following through, and the fourth one is be open to experimenting. So the first one is setting intentions. What happens is when you want to do something or you want to achieve something, then it becomes very important that your heart is set into whatever it is that you want to do. And before putting yourself into the process of transformation or this journey, always ask yourselves 2 questions. Number 1 is, why is it important for me? Or second one is, what will I accomplish by doing it? So if you get the answers immediately, it's well and good. It's very good for you. But if you don't get the answers immediately, then sit with yourselves, think about it, write it down, and whatever answer that comes in, this is gonna lead you and this is gonna guide you throughout your journey. So it's very important, it's one of the essentials if you want to put yourselves into the process of anything, be it health or be it anything. So setting intentions is very important. Now the second one is shut the noise, and trust me, this is a difficult one because we live in a world where everyone has their opinions and sometimes it becomes very difficult to keep people quiet about their opinions, and this is where our intentions come into picture because they help us and they guide us into doing what we want to do, and they keep us going in our journey. And for some people it is very difficult to do it, but trust me, it's worth it. So shutting the noise is one of the best gifts that you can give yourself while in your journey. Now the third one is keep a journal and follow through. Now keeping a journal is the best way to keep a track of your journey. Journals are extremely important and they play a very important role in your journey because you get to control what you want to do and what you don't want to do. So find your own way of keeping a journal, be creative, look for different ideas and just note them down and just track your journey. This way you get to control in your journey, whatever you want to achieve. So how I do it, I either keep them down using pen and paper, or I whenever an idea comes in my mind, or I've done something which is really helping me out in my journey, so and I don't have pen or paper at that moment, so I note them down in my phone, and this way it sorts a lot of things for me. So find your own way and find your own pace of keeping a journal, they're extremely helpful. Now the fourth one is be open to experimenting. Now I would personally suggest that always keep a door open for different ideas, so that if one thing is not working for you, then you are always open to adapting a new idea or a different new idea, so that if one thing is not working for you, then the other one will work for you, and if the other one is also not working for you, you can always go back to the previous one. So always keep a door open for new ideas and experimenting. Keep experimenting with your journey, uh, it really helps you figure out what really works best for you, because I've been experimenting a lot in my health journey and it has been really wonderful. So I would suggest that always be open to experimenting. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below so that I get to know what you think about this video, and just tell me what should I make next in my video. And till then, take care of yourself and bye.